Hey mamas, if you are like me, you need just a couple extra minutes in your day. An hour would be perfect, but since I know that we can't add that much time to your day, I'm hoping that this video where I share a couple time-saving cleaning hacks will give you those couple of minutes that you need to just take a deep breath and breathe and know that you are doing a great job and tomorrow is a new day if today is really hard. So here's my best tips. This video is in collaboration with my friend Elizabeth. She is a mama of 3 and new to homeschooling just like me. She lives outside of Toronto, Canada, and does a lot of motherhood, lifestyle, and get it all done videos. So check her out in the comments below after you're done with this one. To clean your toilet really well, drop some water in there. It's going to empty the bowl. And then when you're done with the brush, just let it sit between the lid and the toilet so that it dries before it goes back in the container. Putting a drop of oil on the cardboard part of your toilet paper means every time it gets spun, it's going to smell so good and instantly refresh your bathroom. And then for jetted tubs, put some powder dishwasher detergent in there. It makes it so much easier to clean. This is a cleaning hack that I have never done, but I have seen. So I have heard that you can use a little bit of lemon and a little bit of salt to clean the grossest soap scum areas of your house. So I'm gonna try it on the shower door here because all they wanna do, my children, is just make potions and things like that. So this door gets really disgusting. So I'm gonna clean it and see how we like using this method, if it's better than what I traditionally use. And then I'm also gonna clean around the sink area and see how we like that. Okay, so it does look better than it did, but I think that I'm not going to make this an official cleaning hack. I would say that you should just save your lemons for your water and your recipes, but definitely I'm now gonna go cut this up and put it down the garbage disposal because that is a cleaning hack that works really well. You just cut it up, throw it in the disposal, turn it on, run some water, and it's gonna make your whole kitchen smell really good. If you have a dog, especially one that sheds a whole lot, grab a Groom Ninja. I ordered it online. It is the best styling tool that we have ever gotten for our dogs, and you will basically come out with a brand new dog and have another dog laying on the floor when you finish using this. Right now, our dog is going through a really big shed cycle, and this thing is saving us and making sure that all the hair just gets off of her and isn't all over the floors. Okay, so now we're in the laundry room, and this one is probably gonna change your life if you don't already do it. So if your washer has a delay wash on it, this is how you work it. So you put your time on whatever you normally do with however you normally wash it, and you just hit the delay wash button here, and it adds hours. And what you wanna do is set it when you go to bed for about the time that you're gonna wake up to have your laundry done. Then you're ready to throw your laundry in the dryer, and you have already started your day with a fresh load of laundry without waiting another hour for it to finish when you get up. I love things that are multi-purpose, and we use lemon oil for so many things. 2 of our favorite things is just to put a couple of drops on some dryer balls. This gets rid of your dryer sheets. If you look up, they can be really toxic. And then also, it is like a natural Goo Gone. This is something sticky that's been on the washing or the dryer for a little while. So I'm just gonna let that sit for a second, and then it will completely wipe up. Super easy. Lemon has taken Sharpie marker off my hardwood floors. It's taken crayons and stuff off walls. It's the best. Find a cleaner that you can use in more areas than just one, so you don't have to lug around an entire bucket of cleaners. This one can go on every surface of my house. I saw where ground cinnamon, if you suck it up, will make your entire room smell good. So I tried it, but honestly, it didn't work that well. So I went ahead and switched to my tried and true, just dropping some smell good stuff on the filter of your vacuum, and it will make the entire room smell good. Now, my kids are saying, we're hungry, so let's make a fun, quick snack. This is a no-bake, super easy, a little messy, but really great recipe that you can make. A lot of times you probably have most of these things in your cabinet, and all you do is just mix them together and let it sit in the fridge for a few minutes and harden just a little bit, and then it makes the perfect little yummy bite balls. I'm gonna put the ingredients in the description. Honestly, I just kind of eyeballed it. I was gonna go very specific with the recipe and just decided not to do that and just to measure on my own, and it turned out great. Super delicious, really easy, and a great snack for the kids. We ended up adding a few extra oats to this just because it was a little bit runny, and that seemed to do the trick, and my kids are loving this snack, so I'll have to make it again. Now I want to show you something that my kids are obsessed with that I recently got for them. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find that you need just a few minutes to finish something that you're working on, or to, let's be honest, just breathe, because sometimes being a mom is hard, look at this kit from Young and Wild and Friedman. This is their ice cream shop, and it is perfectly curated to spend lots and lots of time in your children's imaginations, just creating, and they have a bunch of different themes. This will keep my boys occupied for a very long time.